This is the ball joint press. I got it from AutoZone. I already set it up, and I'm gonna press out the ball joint. I'm gonna show you guys right here. It's the ball joint right here, and here is the tool. I bet you guys it is the expensive tool. Cost me almost $200. It is the new one. See? Very bad for joint. Rubber piece says come out, and compare to the new ball joint is right here. Clean that up a little bit. This is how you replace the ball joint. Okay, and if you guys have any question, I have two. The special tool, what kind of tool you guys need to use for pressing the ball joint, and if you guys have any question, just let me know, and leave me comment down below. I will have to answer the question that you guys have. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.